5 seconds. Start. In the court of the civil judge at Bengaluru, the plaintiff has filed a suit for permanent injunction against the defendant, stating that he is the absolute owner and in peaceful possession of the scheduled property. Full point. The plaintiff submits that the defendant has no right, title, or interest over the said property and is illegal trying to interfere with the lawful possession of the plaintiff without any authority of law. Full point. It is further stated that on several occasions the defendant attempted to trespass into the suit scheduled property and threatened the plaintiff, causing mental agony and loss, which forced the plaintiff to approach this honorable court. Full point. The cause of action for the suit arose on the date when the defendant first interfered with the possession of the plaintiff, and the same is continuing and recurring, giving rise to a fresh cause of action every day. Full point. The suit is filed within the period of limitation and the plaintiff has paid the required court fee as per law. Full point. This honorable court has jurisdiction to entertain and try the present suit. Full point. The plaintiff states that no other suit is filed on the same cause of action before any court of law, and there is no legal bar for granting the reliefs prayed for in this suit. Full point. Therefore, the plaintiff humbly prays that this honorable court may be pleased to grant a decree of permanent injunction restraining the defendant from interfering with the peaceful possession of the plaintiff and award costs in the interest of justice. Full point.